My name is Lee Fintel, and I'm the owner of Fintel Farms in south central Nebraska. We have around 2,500 acres, usually split half and half between corn and soybeans. Those 2,500 acres are in 15 different farms, 10 of which have center pivots on them. To access water in the state of Nebraska, there are two general ways. We have deep water wells where we access groundwater. We also have surface water, lakes and rivers and streams and so forth.
The water, when it's pumped out of the ground here in Nebraska, to us it's water, but really there's clumps of molecules of water that are tied together. When the water passes through the magnetic field created by the Magnation unit, that it breaks those bonds of those clusters of molecules of water.
Those devices will lower the surface tension of the water. Where there are steep slopes, it soaks in easier and doesn't run away. Then once it's in the soil, it stays there longer. You have a more mellow, usable soil.
The conservation benefits through Magnation have been lower runoff through the fields with the increased infiltration.
The amount of water savings that we've seen since we've installed our Magnation systems on our farms has been remarkable. We're seeing that we save 1 or 2 circles, of which would be 1 to 2 inches of water. Each of those is 4.5 million gallons. So if we save 2 inches of water on a center pivot, we're saving 9 million gallons of water. We can save about 25 to 30% of our normal pumping requirements with the use of the Magnation device. On our irrigation systems, we're seeing 5 to 12% better yields in corn, 5 to 10% better yields in soybeans.
I'm CEO of the commercial bank in Nelson, Nebraska, also landlord. We own several farms here in Nuckolls County. We put the Magnation in on one of our farms, and since then we've been real pleased. Our yields went up 50 bushels an acre. It helped our tenants to show that the landlord is ready to make changes and help him improve his farming and benefit and reap the rewards to go into his bottom line. We bought 2 more Magnation units this last year, and we're hoping for great things for those.
We believe the improved water quality helps the fertilizer get a better distribution through the pivot, or get a more even pattern, and improvement of the water would make the fertilizer work better because the plant's healthier, doesn't have to work as hard, can take the edge off of plant stress.
Quality of Magnation's devices, I think, is second to none. They use a very high-end stainless steel. They're aluminum products that are anodized. They use the heavy black anodized coating versus the lower quality systems.
It's precision milled. The workmanship, I'd say, is excellent.
The Magnation inline devices are pipe threaded on both ends. It takes a few minutes just to screw it on, and it's installed and it's working.
They look like they could probably last a lifetime and give a long period of service.
In my opinion, they're built better than any other product in that space on the market.
I don't know why it's not on every pivot right now.
The guys out here like me that are farming, we're stewards of the land, we're stewards of the natural resources out here. The biggest benefit that we get from Magnation is efficiency, conservation. We conserve the most precious natural resource, and we do it chemical-free. We grow better crops, more healthy crops with better yields. It's just better for the environment.
For more information on Magnation water technologies, visit rainlikewater.com.